In this video, I'm going to use linear regression function to understand the relationship between two different variables we are going to use. In this example, I'm going to use the city MPG and price, and we're going to examine the relationship between these two variables. So let's get started. First, we're going to start from this code here in front of you that you've been seeing for the previous videos. And in this video, I'm going to need to import libraries. First one, import sklearn. And then from sklearn, I'm going to import linear regression. From that linear model, import linear regression. So now we are ready to do the linear regression model. Next, I'm going to assign variables lm equal to linear regression. Next, I'm going to assign x to df. I'm going to use city mpg as a variable here for x, and for y, I'm going to use, you guessed it, price, because the purpose of this video is to predict the price of the used car based on the variables that we have, like make, fuel type, aspiration, number of doors, body style, and so on. Gonna just hit enter to go up. Next, we're gonna use lim fit function x, comma, and y. We're gonna fit x and y. Then we're gonna assign another variable y hat, the predicted y, lm dot predict x, and then lm dot intercept. This will give us y intercept, and lm dot coef will give us the coefficient of x value. So now if I print lim intercept, let me show you how. I'm gonna hit Control B. Oh, I got an error. So this is actually, it's a fit, not FR, sorry. So hit Control B again. So here we go. This is the y-intercept for the function. Now I'm gonna show you the coefficient of city MPG. Print lim close parentheses. I'm gonna hit Control B. Now here we go. This is the first one is the y-intercept, and this is the coefficient of x. So based on this information, this is how you write the function. Now, after we set up the equation, we're gonna visualize the result. So I'm gonna show you the plot or the chart or the relationship between price and the MPG. Go back to my code, original code. In this next line, I'm gonna need to import libraries. And this libraries, it's a matplotlib. So import matplotlib dot py lab as plt, and then from matplotlib import py plot and import seaborn as sns. Gonna go down a bit. Now I'm gonna assign the width 12 and the width equal 10. Next I'm gonna plot the figure plt figure fig size equal the width and height. So now let me show you how the graph looks like. So I'm gonna use py plot that show open close parentheses and hit Control B. Oh, we have an error. Oh, here we go. Sorry, Seaborn. Now hit Control B again. We got the same result. That the y-intercept and the coefficient of x, and this is what you get so far, just blank, nothing, because we just assign the width and the height of the chart. So I'm going to close this one, continue with the code. SNS dot regression plot x equal, we're going to assign city mpg, comma, and y equal price, comma, data equal def. Now let's run the code again. Control B. Let me show you the chart. This is how the chart looks like. All right, let's continue with the code. I'm gonna hit escape and go back to the end of the code. Now I'm gonna use price correlation as a variable. I'm gonna give it def city mpg, comma, and price dot core. I'm gonna print the price correlation. Now hit Control B. I got the code error. I got an error because that happens. This is price correlation equal. Now hit Control B. You get the chart, and this is the correlation between price and city MPG. It's a negative correlation. Next video, I will go over the predict the result.